Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading or helping you out. Please note that guys, this is the fifth video, and I'm doing both questions 6 and 7 actually. There are already 4 videos uploaded whereby I answer from question 1 to question 5. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and just click the link on the description below. It will take you to the playlist whereby I have the full memorandum. You can just download the question paper, answer the questions with me. If there are things you're not sure about, please say something. I'll definitely come and assist you. Okay, you start a business and buy a delivery truck for 450,000. If the inflation rate is 6% per annum, how much will a new truck cost in 5 years time? Inflation rate, guys, is always compounded interest, and please note that for inflation rate, the interest is always accumulated annually. So I'll simply say A is equal to P 1 plus I to the n. The value of P is 450,000. 1 plus 0.06 all raised to the power 5. 1 plus 0.06 all raised to the power 5. I'll simply get 602,000 rands, 201 rands, 51 cents. Okay, if you calculate depreciation at 20% per annum using a reducing balance method, what will be the value of your truck in 5 years time? Please note that, guys, depreciation, the depreciation interest is also calculated annually as well. Since I'm using the reducing balance method, that means I'll use this equation that is an exponent of n. So the value of the truck is 450,000. I have 0.2% to the power 5. Okay. (0.2% to the power 5). So the truck that you bought in 5 years time, if it depreciates 20% per annum, it will cost 147,456 rands. Okay, you set up a sinking fund for the next 5 years so that you can trade in your delivery truck and buy a new one, by financing the difference with the sinking fund. The bank offers an interest rate of 9% per annum compounded monthly. How much should you put away at the end of each month so that you have enough so that you have enough to finance the difference between the new vehicle and the trade-in vehicle of your delivery truck at the end of 5 years? The last payment into the sinking fund is made at the end of 5 years. Okay. What happens here, guys? Sinking fund, Sinking fund is the money that you put away to replace an asset in future. Are you together? So is the amount you keep investing in order for you to replace an asset in future, which simply means that sinking fund deals with future value because it's money which is not present now, but it has to be present in future. Are you together? So the value of the sinking fund is always the price of the new asset, basically the inflated amount minus the depreciated amount. Are you together? So that's our sinking fund. Remember that question A, we calculated the inflated amount. We got 602,201.51, and then for the depreciation we got 147,456, and then the difference between the two will give us our sinking fund. Are we together? This is equal to the sinking fund, SF, ne? 602,201.51 minus let me confirm, 602,201. Okay, so the value of my sinking fund is simply 454,745 rands 51 cents. Together. So you are supposed to have this amount of money at the end of 5 years. Are you together? So you want to know that, okay, for me to have this amount of money, how much money should I deposit every month if the bank will give me an interest rate of 9% per annum compounded monthly? So I'll simply say future value is equal to x 1 plus I to the n minus 1 all over I, ne? The future value is 4,547,45.51 is equal to x. That's what you are looking for, right? The interest is simply 0.09 all over 12. Since this thing will happen for 5 years and you are supposed to pay every month, 5 years has 60 months. Because you'd say, just say 5 times 12, you'll get 60. So this will be 60 minus 1 all over 0.09 over 12. So therefore the value of x is simply equal to 4,547,45.51 multiplied by the interest 0.09 all over 12, all divided by the brackets, which is 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to the power 60 minus 1. So therefore x is equal to x, let's calculate, 4,547,45.51 multiplied by 0.09 divided by 12 all over the bracket. At the bracket I simply have 1 plus 0.09 divided by 12 all raised to the power 60 minus 1. The amount of money that you should put away every month for you to raise the sinking fund is just 6,029 rands 18 cents. So that's the amount of money you should put away every month. Let me write it here. It's 6,029 rands 18 cents. Okay. Question 7. A person is able to pay 14,500 per month to pay off a loan. Ne? The bank offers the person an interest rate of 12% per annum compounded monthly. What is the maximum loan the person can get from the bank if he needs to be paid? If the loan needs to be paid over a period of 20 years. Okay. They want to know how much they can give the person right now, so that he or she will be able to pay the loan for the next 20 years and pay 14,500 every month. They want to know how much can they give the person right now. So they are looking for a present value. Are you together? They are looking for a present value, X is just the amount of money the person is willing to pay every month. I is 0.12 all over 12. And then I know that since my interest is compounded monthly, M is equal to 12. And I have 20 years, the number of years is 20. So N is simply 12 multiplied by 20. 12 multiplied by 20, this will give me 240. Okay. All I need to do now is to just calculate the value of the loan. Present value is X 1 minus 1 plus I to the N to the power negative N over I. I have 14,500, 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 all over 12 to the power of negative 240, 0.12 over 12. Okay, so I have 14,500 multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12, all raised to the power negative 240. That will be divided by 0.12 over 12. So the amount of money that the person, the maximum amount of money that they can give this person is simply round off to the nearest 100. So it's 1,316,000. I must round off to the nearest 100, right? I have 881.537. If I round out to the nearest 100, I'll simply round up this number to 900. So this is the maximum amount of money the person can get. Okay, if they are willing to pay 14,500. Okay, B, we are told that if the loan above is taken up by a person, what will be the outstanding balance at the end of the 8th year, immediately after the installment has been made? If the payment, okay, they want us to find the outstanding loan balance, né? Outstanding loan balance. Remember that this started at T0, it's supposed to end at T240 together, but they just want to know after 8 years. Let me see, 8 times 12. Here at T96, how much is the person owing? They want to know how much is the person still owing, how much is outstanding over there. Together, the outstanding loan balance, you can get it by saying, let me do this. The outstanding loan balance, you can simply say A minus the future value, right? Whereby A is the accumulated amount of the loan minus the future value of the payments. All right, together. So I'll simply say A is given by P 1 plus I to the N minus X 1 plus I to the N minus 1 over I, ne? The value of P is the value of the loan, ne? It's simply 1,316,900 rands. 1,316,900 rands. 1 plus the percentage 0.12, ne? I have 0.12 over 12. The loan has accumulated for 96 months. I want to know I want to know how much do I owe after the 96th month or the 96th payment. So my N will simply be 96. I'll pay 14,500, right? 1 plus 0.12 over 12 to the power 96 minus 1, 0.012, 0.12 over 12. So the value that I'll get here will give me the outstanding loan balance. I have 1,316,900, 1 plus 0.12 all over 12, all raised to the power 96, plus 14,500, 1 plus 0.12 all over 12 to the power 96 minus 1, 0.12 all over 12. Okay, I made a mistake. I pressed a plus there on the calculator. I'm trying to fix that. Okay, so the outstanding loan balance after the end of 8 years is simply 1,104,036 rands 77 cents. That's the outstanding loan balance after 5 years, after 8 years rather. So that's how, guys, we could have tackled the question. Just stay tuned and wait for more videos, guys. Thank you for your time.